our festivities this afternoon. Let me call on Honor Philippines e-commerce manager. Let's all give a warm round of applause to Mr. AC De Guzman.
Hi everyone, good afternoon again. I'm AC De Guzman, the e-commerce manager for Honor Philippines. And on behalf of Honor, I'd like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our beloved media partners, KOLs, and of course, our esteemed guest, Shopee Philippines. We are truly excited to have you here with us today because at Honor, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation, technology, and design to create products that empower individuals and enhance their everyday lives. As we continue to evolve, our goal is to build strong connections with our customers, communities, and especially our partners. Hi, Shopee. Today marks another significant step in that journey as we value the trust and support you have shown us. And we are truly grateful for the opportunity to share our latest advancements. Whether you're an avid Honor fan or new to our world, we are thrilled to have you join us on this incredible adventure as we, drumroll please, introduce our new best value top 5G smartphone, the Honor X9C Smart 5G. This 2025 marks a very important year for Honor and Shopee as we strive to provide the best value devices to make it more accessible for our customers. We started this year strong as we were awarded one of the top brands of the month last January for live stream selling, and for the first time, top 3 and top 4 for mobiles and tablets last Q2. Wala bang malakpan dyan, guys? It's an achievement for us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shopee played a pivotal role in our achievements with the support of the platform's leading e-commerce solutions. We were able to achieve an unexpected 870% growth from 2023 versus 2024. Okay, there. Today, we are making history as we introduce Honor Philippines' first online exclusive smartphone, and we are happy to do it first with Shopee Philippines. We are truly grateful for giving us your valuable time, guys. Thank you. I know your day is very busy, but we truly appreciate all of our guests here for coming. And please, let's look forward to a day filled with exciting activities, fun surprises, and rewarding experiences. So together, let's continue to innovate and make a meaningful impact in the world of technology for Filipinos. So once again po, I am AC De Guzman. Welcome and hope you enjoy what we prepared for you today. Thank you.